Telomeres, how to improve your health and longevity. Welcome to a journey into the microscopic world of our cells, where we'll delve into a fascinating topic, telomeres. You may ask, what are these telomeres and why should you care? Well, let's dive in. Imagine a tiny biological clock ticking away inside each of your cells. Picture that clock's hands as telomeres, the protective end caps of our chromosomes. Like the plastic tips on the end of your shoelaces, telomeres stop our genetic data from fraying and unraveling, ensuring the integrity of our genetic information each time a cell divides. As our cells divide and our DNA replicates, these telomeres get shorter. When they become too short, they can no longer do their job effectively, leading to cell aging and eventually cell death. This biological process is integral to the aging of our bodies and our overall health. Telomeres are fascinating because they serve as a sort of biological timekeeper, giving us insight into the lifespan of a cell. They hold the keys to understanding how our bodies age and potentially how we can slow that process down. We'll also touch on how our lifestyle can influence the length of our telomeres. Factors such as stress, diet, and exercise can all impact telomere length, which in turn affects our health and lifespan. In essence, telomeres are like the guardians of our genetic material, playing a crucial role in the aging process and our overall health. By understanding their role and function, we can begin to comprehend how our bodies age and what we can do to potentially slow down this process. So, buckle up for an exciting exploration through the world of telomeres. We'll be peeling back the layers of this complex topic, giving you a deeper understanding of what's happening inside your cells every second of every day. Understanding telomeres can help us unlock the secrets of longevity. Every cell in our body contains these tiny yet significant components, telomeres. But what exactly are these minuscule marvels? Telomeres are essentially the protective caps at the end of our chromosomes, much like the plastic tips on shoelaces that prevent them from fraying. They play a crucial role in preserving the information in our DNA. Now let's delve deeper into their function. You see, our cells continuously divide and reproduce to replenish and repair tissues. During cell division, our DNA, which carries our genetic information, needs to be duplicated. This is where telomeres come in. They ensure that our genetic data is accurately copied and transferred to the new cells. Without telomeres, the DNA strands could become damaged, leading to cell malfunction, aging, or even death. But that's not all. Telomeres have another vital responsibility. They protect our genetic data. How do they do this? Well, each time a cell divides, it risks losing a bit of its genetic material. However, it's the telomere that shortens, not the chromosome. This means the telomere acts as a buffer, taking the hit and safeguarding the important genetic information within the chromosome. Over time, as cells continue to divide, telomeres eventually shorten to a critical length. This triggers the cell to enter a state of senescence, or what we commonly know as cellular aging. While this process is natural and inevitable, it's also the reason why telomeres are often associated with aging and age-related diseases. In essence, telomeres are like the unsung heroes of our cellular world. They diligently work behind the scenes, ensuring our cells divide properly and our genetic data stays intact. They might be small, but their role in maintaining our health and longevity is colossal. So next time you think about what keeps you ticking, remember these tiny gatekeepers of your genes. Our genetic blueprint, hence, is safeguarded by these tiny telomeres. Aging is inevitable, but did you know telomeres play a key role in this process? Let's dive into the fascinating world of telomeres and aging. First off, telomeres are the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, sort of like the plastic tips on shoelaces. They protect our chromosomes from deteriorating or fusing with neighboring chromosomes. But here's the kicker. Every time a cell divides, these telomeres get a smidge shorter. Over time, this shortening process can lead to cell aging and eventually, cell death. Let's think of telomeres as a sand timer. With each grain of sand that falls, we edge closer to the inevitable end of the timer. Similarly, with each cell division, our telomeres shorten, edging us closer to the natural process of aging. But it's not as simple as shorter telomeres mean faster aging. It's more about how the shortening of telomeres can lead to a decrease in cell function, and this is where the aging process comes into play. When telomeres get too short, our cells lose their ability to divide and rejuvenate, resulting in a variety of aging-related diseases. However, it's not all doom and gloom. The enzyme telomerase can add length back to shortened telomeres, like adding sand back into the top of our sand timer. This has the potential to delay and perhaps even reverse some signs of aging, but that's a topic we'll delve into later. So, to wrap it up, our biological age isn't just about the number of candles on our birthday cake. It's a complex interplay between cell division, telomere length, and the ability of our cells to rejuvenate. The ticking clock of our biological aging, it seems, is in sync with the length of our telomeres. Telomeres aren't just about aging. They also have a significant impact on our overall health. Indeed, these tiny yet power-packed structures at the ends of our chromosomes are a crucial factor in our well-being. The length of our telomeres is a biological marker, a sort of cellular clock that can indicate our risk for various health conditions. Research has shown a correlation between shortened telomeres and a plethora of diseases, from cardiovascular conditions to neurodegenerative disorders and even mental health issues. It seems that when our telomeres are in trouble, our health is likely to be compromised. Consider our immunity. Our immune system is our body's defense mechanism, warding off harmful invaders and maintaining our overall health. However, each time our immune cells divide to combat these threats, their telomeres shorten. Over time, these shortened telomeres can lead to a weakened immune response, making us more susceptible to infections and diseases. Cancer is another area where telomeres play a crucial role. Cancer cells are notorious for their ability to divide uncontrollably. Interestingly, they achieve this by maintaining their telomere length, defying the natural cellular process of telomere shortening. Thus, understanding telomeres could potentially lead to breakthroughs in cancer treatment. This isn't to say that long telomeres are always beneficial. In fact, overly long telomeres have been linked to certain health risks as well, such as bone marrow failure and pulmonary fibrosis. The key is balance, neither too short nor too long. Telomere health, then, is about maintaining an optimal length. In essence, our telomeres are like the canaries in the coal mine of our bodies. They signal when things are going awry, allowing us to take corrective measures. By understanding and taking care of our telomeres, we can potentially prevent, treat, or even reverse certain health conditions. Our health, thus, is deeply intertwined with the well-being of our telomeres. By promoting telomere health, we are, in effect, promoting our overall well-being, setting ourselves up for a healthier and potentially longer life. The question then arises, can we improve our telomere health? The answer, fortunately, is a resounding yes. Improving the health of our telomeres is not as complex as one might imagine. It's largely about embracing a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Let's start with diet, a critical factor in maintaining telomere health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help protect our telomeres. These foods are packed with antioxidants and vital nutrients that fight off oxidative stress, a primary culprit in telomere shortening. Next, we move to exercise. Regular physical activity, particularly aerobic exercise, has been shown to promote telomere length. The act of exercising stimulates the production of telomerase, an enzyme that adds DNA sequences to the ends of our telomeres, effectively lengthening them. So it's time to lace up those running shoes or unroll that yoga mat. Stress management also plays a pivotal role in telomere health. Chronic stress can accelerate telomere shortening, leading to cellular aging. Implementing stress management techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can help counteract this effect. Remember, it's not about eliminating stress entirely, but rather learning to manage it effectively. Sleep, too, should not be overlooked. Adequate quality sleep is essential for overall health, and this includes our telomeres. Research suggests that sleep deprivation can lead to shorter telomeres, so ensure you're getting enough rest to rejuvenate your body and mind. Lastly, let's touch upon the importance of regular medical checkups. Regular screenings can help detect potential health issues early and allow for timely intervention, thus preventing further telomere shortening. In conclusion, the road to better telomere health is paved with healthy lifestyle habits. While we may not have control over our genetic inheritance, we do have control over our lifestyle choices, and these choices can significantly impact our telomeres. A healthy lifestyle can help bolster our telomeres and consequently, our health. So let's make the most of this knowledge and take steps towards a healthier, more vibrant life. The study of telomeres is still a budding field with much potential. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of these tiny cellular structures, we can't help but feel a sense of anticipation. What might the future of telomere research hold? The answer, my friends, is brimming with hope and excitement. Imagine a future where we can use our understanding of telomeres to optimize our health and longevity. This isn't just a fanciful dream. Scientists are already hard at work, exploring the ways in which telomere science can be harnessed to promote better health and longer lives. One of the most exciting prospects is the potential to slow down or even reverse the aging process. By learning how to maintain the length of our telomeres, we might be able to halt the ticking clock of biological aging. It's like having our very own cellular fountain of youth. Beyond aging, researchers are also exploring how telomere science can help us combat various diseases. Since shorter telomeres have been linked to a myriad of health issues, including heart disease and cancer, understanding how to keep them long and healthy could prove pivotal in disease prevention and treatment. But the future of telomere research isn't just about longevity and disease prevention. It's about quality of life. It's about understanding how our lifestyle choices, from the food we eat to the amount of stress we experience, can impact our telomeres and in turn, our health. This knowledge could empower us to make more informed decisions about our lives, leading to improved well-being and vitality. As we look towards the horizon, we see a future where telomere science is an integral part of healthcare. A future where we can use this understanding to not only add years to our life, but also life to our years. Yet, it's important to remember that this future isn't set in stone. It's up to us, the scientists, the innovators, the dreamers, to continue to push the boundaries of what we know, to explore, to question, to learn. The future of telomere research holds the promise of a healthier, longer life. Our journey through the world of telomeres ends here, but the scientific exploration continues. We've traveled a fascinating path together, delving into the minute yet mighty structures known as telomeres. These tiny powerhouses, sitting at the ends of our chromosomes, hold the keys to understanding our health, aging, and longevity. Let's take a moment to revisit the highlights from our journey. We began with an introduction to telomeres, understanding their role as protective caps at the end of our chromosomes. This crucial function safeguards our genetic data, ensuring the accurate replication of our cells and, ultimately, our bodies. From there, we delved into the intricate role telomeres play within our cells. They're not just passive protectors, but active participants in cellular function. Their length, which can be influenced by various factors, impacts how well our cells can divide and replicate. Our exploration then led us to the connection between telomeres and aging. We learned that as we age, our telomeres naturally shorten. This shortening can lead to cell death or senescence, contributing to the signs and symptoms we associate with aging. But we also discovered that it's not all about the inevitable march of time. Lifestyle choices and environmental factors can influence telomere length, offering potential avenues to slow down this process. We then discussed the links between telomeres and health, discovering that shortened telomeres are associated with a variety of health conditions, from cardiovascular disease to certain types of cancer. Maintaining telomere health, therefore, can play a significant role in overall health and well-being. Our journey led us to strategies for improving telomere health. From regular exercise and a balanced diet to stress management and adequate sleep, we learned that holistic wellness approaches can support telomere health and, in turn, our longevity. Finally, we peeked into the future of telomere research. With ongoing studies and advancements, the science of telomeres holds great promise for our understanding of health and longevity. The potential applications of this research, from disease prevention to anti-aging treatments, are as exciting as they are vast. As we conclude this journey, it's clear that the world of telomeres is a fascinating realm of exploration. These tiny structures, hidden within our cells, have a significant impact on our health and longevity. By understanding and nurturing our telomeres, we can potentially influence our own aging process and pave the way for a healthier future. The exploration doesn't stop here, though. Remember to subscribe, activate notifications, and share this video with others. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of health and longevity.